So this is just a quick little video from question 4, sample A from Educate.ie papers, okay? So, shown below is a 3D model of a camera, also shown is the drawing of an LCD panel on the top surface of the camera which displays information such as battery level, photo, histogram and other camera related settings. The outline drawing on the battery level display is below. Shade the display to show the battery level displaying 40%, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 compartments, okay? So to get 40%, we're going to have to shade 4 of them. Okay, so that's your first one done. An incomplete drawing of the photo histogram shows below. Complete by drawing, construction and axial symmetry of the line LL. So they want an axial symmetry along this line here, LL. Okay? So I'm going to extend on this point here. I'm going to get the distance on my compass and swing it across the line LL, and that goes straight down. So that's the first block done. Okay. Then I'm going to bring across the height of the second block here. I'm going to put the compass on that LL line. Get how far out the point is, it's there. And that's straight down. Bring across the third one. Third one, and bring across my last one there then as well. So the compass point goes on LL, extend it to the end of whatever point you're at, bring it across, swing it on the other side. That's that part of the question done. So the camera company wishes to place a triangular button ABC on the back of the camera. The XY line below is the perimeter line of triangle ABC, and it has sides of ratio 3:4:5. Draw the triangular buttons, okay? So, the camera company wishes to place a triangular button ABC on the back of the camera. The XY line below is the perimeter length of the triangle ABC and has the sides of the ratio as 3:4:5. Draw the triangular button, okay? So basically, right? That's the length of all the sides added together. Okay, that's the length of all the sides added together. So they want one side that's going to be 3 portions, one side that's going to be 4 portions, one side that's going to be 5 portions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add those 3 numbers together, and whatever that gives me, I'm going to divide that line into the number of equal parts. So 5 and 4 is 9. Okay, so 5 plus 4, 9, and then plus 3 is 12. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this line XY into 12 equal parts, okay? I'm going to draw up like this. So draw a line at any angle, compass at any distance, and I'm going to swing 12 points. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's 12 there then. So I have my 12 divisions on there. Then I'm going to line the set square up with the last mark and the end of the line. And I'm going to go parallel then using sliding set squares all the way down here. Okay. Now it does not matter kind of what orientation I do this triangle. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to draw a straight line first. So that's my straight line. So they want it in the ratio of 3:4:5. So each one of these represents one portion. So I'm going to get first of all 3. So just go to where that third line is cut there. So that's 3, right? So if I started here, there, so that's 3. Now I'm going to get 4. and I'm going to swing it from one of these points. Now I'm going to get 5, and I'm going to swing it from the opposite point till where they intersect. ABC. That triangle ABC now is in the ratio of 3:4:5 and has a perimeter the same length as that XY line. Okay, so that's how we do that question there. Part D there then, a navigation button is also to be added to the back of the camera. This will be based on a regular octagon with the base length PQ line below, draw navigation, right? So an octagon has 8 sides, or 8 angles. So remember we divide by the number of angles, so 8 angles, 360 degrees, 45. So that's 45 degrees we're going to be using. So from P I can go 45, and from Q I can go 45. Alright, it says it's a regular octagon, so that means all the lengths are the same side also, okay? So you get the length of the compass, PQ on your, get the length PQ on your compass, swing it from each side. Swing it again. And that's that part of the question done. Okay. So there's one more part now in part 4. So I'm going to tape it on just over that sheet there, just to speed the video up slightly. Now, the image below shows details of a similar camera drawn. So draw an elevation in the direction of arrow A, project the plan from the elevation and determine the true shape of S. Okay, so I'm going to start there and I'm going to draw in my XY line there roughly in the middle of the page, like so. Okay, so they want an elevation in the direction of arrow A. Okay, so we've done loads of questions like these. I'm going to start off by drawing a rectangular kind of thing and putting in my detail then after that, okay? So the height of it, is 120. So the height of it is 120. And the width of it is 70, 80, 180. It's quite big. Yes, that's the basic shape of it done. So I'm going to do this little part here so far. So it's a radius 40. So that means I'm going to measure back 40 from the side here. And I'm going to measure down 40 here then. I'm going to get 40 on my compass and I'm going to swing in that arc. Yep. Now there's a series of twists over here, so it's 15, 20, 15. Okay, and I'm going to write surface S there just because I need that later on for my true shape, right? So that's my surface S there. And you can cross there. So I'm going to do my circle part here now for the bit that takes the actual picture. So from this side you're coming across 65. Measuring up 60 for the center. And now it's a radius 25 and a radius 30. Radius 25 and a radius 30. Okay. Darken in these little sections here. And I have a button here then as well. Okay. Now I'm going to project the plant, so the plant is directly below the elevation, remember. I have a little window up here as well actually for the light to come off, so 60 over here from the very edge. 30 long. It's down 5 from the top. And then it's 15 long, so it's down 5 here. And then it's 15. So my plan then, so the width of it all, 35 is the main width there anyway first, right? 35 is the main kind of width for this portion, and this bit here now comes out further. So I'm going to bring out this bit here. Yep. So this comes out to 50 anyway. So that comes out to 50 there. These come out an extra 15. Okay. I'm going to bring down my circles. That sticks out 20. Now the inside circle, that's going to be dotted. Okay. And this little window up here, the distance is 70. Now I'm able to get my circle part here, so that's it there. It's a radius 10. I can bring this up here then up to my elevation, and it's a height of 5. So that's the plan and elevation of the camera there completed, right? That's my surface S here now this time, okay? So that's my surface S this time. Now, there's a number of different ways you can do to get this true shape, okay? I'm going to use it, I'm going to get it using the auxiliary method, right? So we've done this before. So we've done the rotation method. No, actually I'm not. I'm going to do getting the rotation method, right? This is the one we've done before, right? So, you remember we said we need the line to be horizontal or parallel with that XY line in one of the views. So, surface S is represented by this line down here. I'm going to put the point of the compass there, extend it to the length of S, and swing it until it's horizontal with the XY. Okay? No, actually, I'm going to do this in a biro, right? So it stands out here. So I swing that back, like so. Now I'm going to go straight up here with it. And the heights are the same. So from here up to the top, and I'm going to so that blue section is now the true shape of S, right? So basically, right, if you imagine it's tilted away like this from you, right, and we rotate it around to be parallel with the XY line, so we flip it up and we're seeing it like that. That's basically what we're doing, right? So it's like this, it's tilted away, so it's not a true shape we're seeing. So we're tilting it around in the plan and bring it straight up to elevation to get a true shape of it. So that's that question 4 there anyway from the Educate.ie, the sample paper A.